my name is Bill, and today I want to see if I can make a tuna salad that isn't boring. And we will add lots of flavor. My mom would dump a can of tuna into a bowl and mix it with some Miracle Whip. Put it on some white bread, some being white bread of course. And I never liked it. Never figured out that it had no flavor, texture's wrong, and the sweetness of the Miracle Whip is horrible. So I've got a better recipe. Let's get started. First off, I like to use bumblebee tuna. This is the albacore in water. I just think they do a really great job of tuna, and obviously water's better. First thing you want to do is you want to cut around from the inside of the can, not like you're cutting the outside of the can off, because you're going to use the can lid to squeeze the water out. We're going to squeeze it pretty vigorously for a little while, and then what we're going to do is we fork it into a bowl. Like this is a 1.5 quart Pyrex bowl. Like this idea. I finally got some clear bowls so I can see what I'm doing. Gave up grandma's bowls. Let me know if you think that's a great idea and you're happy. First off, I have the juice of a lemon. So I want this to be what makes it wet more than the mayonnaise, because I want the flavor and the tartness and the citrus of the lemon. So I'm going to start with about half. We can always add more, we can't take away. Put about half of the lemon in there. Then I've got, this is actually half a pretty large Bermuda onion, probably half of a medium, so I don't really need all this. I'm just gonna sprinkle a bunch of this in here. I like the kind of for color, I like putting all the extras in, like the onion, and the dill pickle. I've got like 3 dill pickles here that I cut up. Usually don't get to put them all in the bowl because little fingers steal some of the pickle from me. So I probably don't need all this either. So I wanted about that much. And last but not least, I've got 2 cloves of garlic that I minced up. That's some good flavor to it. Finger towel here. So, lastly, I want to put just a little bit of fresh ground pepper in here. Grinding pretty fine. Alright, good. And for my secret, I put a dash of oregano. I think that really adds with the pickle. And I want a good 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. Getting low, man, I want it covered. Okay. That's it. Get curry off my hand. I just want to mix this together and see how it looks. Lots of color, lots of flavor. You can always add more curry if you like it. I do, but for you, I'm keeping it a little milder. Okay. And you can see that the lemon juice is definitely incorporating and absorbing into the tuna because I squeezed the water out of it. It's just what I wanted. I don't really want a puddle at the bottom, but it did evaporate well, so I'm going to put just a little more back in here. Yeah, that's what I want. So that was a good sized lemon, probably about 3/4 of a lemon. Now that we've got that done, now comes the mayonnaise part. So once again, like I said, it's wet from the lemon juice. So I'm just going to put a big heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise in here, and just gently. I don't want to break everything up. I'm not trying to look like it's been through the food processors or chopped up. I want there to be real pieces of tuna. But you'll see, because I put the lemon juice and mixed it together first, that it's going to be the lemon juice that's gone to the tuna. got everything mixed together. So what we do next is, how do we want to serve it? Well, you know, I like some good pumpernickel or rye bread as the base for it. I happen to have some leftover pita, so I'm going to do some pita here. Just going to dump a little bit in here. And I want to finish it off. I've got some slices of tomato I sliced pretty thin and put in here. Bet you I can fit all 3 slices. These are big pieces of pita I get from a local place. And I got a little piece of Swiss cheese I'm going to shove in there. Cheese and all my sandwiches. So this is what you end up with. So I've got a beautiful tuna salad, tomato, and Swiss cheese in a pita. And this is just ready to munch. Hope you enjoy it. And of course, this is something you can enjoy with a nice Pinot Grigio or any kind of light white Italian wine, as I would probably suggest with this. So it's not trying to overpower the tuna fish, because this is very mild. As always, try it, enjoy it, and subscribe. And please comment, let me know what you like or don't, and especially if you like my new bowls. I'll have a link below if you want to order some for yourself. Have a great day. Thank you.